Hey Gravy Babies!
What up, y'all?
Welcome back to another Adam Mixes. My name is Adam Bryant and I am joined by...
Brandon Mohawk Williams.
Now originally I planned on showing you guys how to make an entirely different cocktail. However, Red Lobster dropped some news on us and they came out with a very special, special new cocktail that they deemed the Dewgarita. And while this may have my bartending license stripped from me, I'm going to show you how to make it at home. So you don't have to risk getting the Rona for the Dewgarita.
It's the dumbest name they could have possibly given it.
Human curiosity is a real thing. And while this pains me in my core, I don't want anyone risking getting sick just to try this. So here we go. It's much similar to a normal margarita.
Not bad margarita.
Take your mixer. This time it's going to be 1 1/2 ounces of Blanco tequila. And if you're using a pour spout, that's going to be a 6 count to make 1 1/2 ounces. You're going to do a 1/2 ounce of an orange liqueur, Contro, or if you're on a budget, triple sec. And that's 1 and 2. I'm so sorry you have to drink this.
It's so funny.
Of course, you're going to have 1/2 ounce of lime juice. I prefer fresh squeezed myself, like you may have seen in the previous video. And you know what? These are kind of
little baby guys.
Yeah, so we're going to use both halves of this one.
Little mini guys.
It's a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. All right.
You know, which complements the Mountain Dew.
Complements the Dew. And finally, of course, you have your Mountain Dew. Now to do this proper, what we did is condense...
Do this proper.
I quit. How to do this proper is we actually reduced Mountain Dew down to a syrup, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And we're back. All right, guys, you just learned how to make your Mountain Dew syrup. So next, I have my syrup right here in this measurement. It's going to be just about a 1/2 ounce or so of your syrup. You're going to grab your ice
Syrup.
in your shaker. Pour that in. Give it a shake like always. All right, now before you strain into your glass, you want to line your glass with the lime you used to squeeze out the juice. And normally you can still use salt, but in this case, to give that extra kick, I fucking hate this, we're going to use tahini.
Is that what they do at the lob?
That's the theory. So then, after you line your glass, of course you get some fresh ice cubes in there. And then you strain away.
Come strain away, come strain away, come strain away with me. This is what people come for. It's the spot on awesome songs.
And I'm not gonna garnish this.
It doesn't deserve it.
It doesn't deserve it.
It doesn't deserve it.
But that's your Dewgarita. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Enjoy, bud.
It's time to do the Dew. Oh, that is not great.
I knew it.
Like, it tastes like a regular. Weirdly enough, the Mountain Dew part of it is what sucks.
Yeah.
Like, it's like give it a shot if you'd like.
God.
It's like oh cool, tequila, regular margarita stuff, and then Mountain Dew. Like, it like punches you in the back of the throat. Right?
It's disgusting.
It's not great.
Red Lobster, why? You don't even have outside seating yet. Why even try and drive?
It's not great.
Well, guys,
I would rather just drink just like regular Mountain Dew. I'm just gonna do that.
Well, that's Adam Mixes for this week. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to check out our Twitch stream, twitch.tv/itsgamenight. Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern? Pacific Standard Time.
Yeah.
It's the Do Brain!
It's the Do Brain!
And thank you guys so much for joining us. Don't forget to, of course, like button, subscribe button. You know the deal. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time. And see you on stream.
Gross. It's not good. It is not good.